Hi everyone, welcome to KichaTube HD. Last episode I made mushroom sauce that was really good. So today I'm going to make herb rice with burnt garlic. So let's start. Here's a pressure cooker. Add the butter. The whole chunk went. Let it melt. Next, I chopped garlic. And saute until it's brown in color. It has a burnt taste, burnt smell, and it gives a very great taste to the rice. It has turned nice golden brown. What a lovely smell. So now let's add the dried herbs, salt, and pepper. Mix. Next, add the parsley and thyme. Half of it. It's fresh, chopped. And now mix. Next, add water. Whoa. Boiling. Next, add the rice. Cook for 2 whistles. Whistle number 2. Let me switch off it. The pressure has gone. Let's see what is inside. Whoa! Let's add the parsley and thyme. This much will be enough. Here we have our herb rice with burnt garlic. Let's serve. Normally my sister does all the food styling. She is in New York for her master's higher studies. Hello Dida, hope you're watching. So today I did it. Is this like yours? Please tell me if it's like yours. So thank you for watching KichaTube HD. Hope you will try this all at your home. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter. To KichaTube. Bye. Mwah. Taste time. It's excellent with the mushroom sauce.